Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I am going to show you guys how to make this creamy lemon chicken pasta. Absolutely delicious. This has lots of flavor. The creamy sauce is to die for. But before I show you guys how it's done, if you're new here, take a quick second to subscribe, like this video if you enjoy, and let's get started. All right, here's a quick look of all the ingredients you will need. I will be sure to leave it down below for you guys if you are making this at home so it can be nice and easy for you. Just take a screenshot of the description box. If you don't know where the description box is, just click the title. You will see the description box. Okay, so we're going to start by boiling the pasta. You can use whatever pasta that you have in hand. For today's recipe, I'm using rotini pasta. I have my water comes to a boil, then I am going to season with salt and chicken bouillon. I like to add the chicken bouillon for more flavor. I am adding the pasta, then give that a stir, cover it, allow it to cook. That should take about 7 to 10 minutes. All right, my pasta is nice and al dente. I am going to remove the pasta from the stove, drain out the hot water so the pasta doesn't continue to cook. Next, we're going to move on to the chicken. I am using 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. I went ahead and sliced them right in the middle. Then we are going to tenderize the chicken breast because we do want the chicken breast to cook faster, but at the same time, you don't want to overcook the chicken breast. So we are using this meat tenderizer to tenderize the chicken. Now for the seasoning, I'm using onion and garlic powder. I'm using lemon pepper, adobo seasoning, a little bit of creole seasoning, no salt, and as well as some Italian seasoning. We're going to mix that together with a fork. Now I am going to drizzle some olive oil to my chicken, rub that in. Then we're going to season. Make sure to generously season your chicken back and forth on both sides, okay? Because we eat both sides, baby. Now that we have the chicken nice and well seasoned, we're going to start cooking it. To a skillet, I am going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. You don't want to fry the chicken, okay? Basically, we're going to sear the chicken. That way, it'll cook, okay? It'll cook because, remember, we tenderize it. Now, I'm going to place the chicken in my skillet. I am going to allow this to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Once one side nice and golden brown, you're going to flip it over and cook it. Now, if you want some color to this, you can add some paprika. However, I was looking for like a lemony color, so that's why I didn't add any paprika. Regardless, the chicken tastes absolutely flavorful. All right, my chicken is looking beautiful. I love that for me. Now I'm going to set that aside. Moving on to the same skillet. You see all that in there? It's flavor. Do not rinse your skillet. Do not use another skillet. Use the same skillet. Add about 2 tablespoons of butter in there. Allow that to melt. Then you are going to add some onions. Now make sure you dice your onion finely when you are dicing them. I am going to cook the onions for about 30 seconds until they're starting to look a little bit translucent. Now I can add my garlic. I didn't want the garlic to burn, to lose all its flavor. That's why I like to add the garlic after I've done cooking my onion. So I'm going to add that in now. Next, I am going to add some pepper flakes in there for some kick, okay, if you like the spiciness, the kick. And also I'm going to be adding 1 lemon juice, squeezed lemon juice in there, as well as some cooking wine, okay. Pour that in there, give it a stir. Now this is another thing I really love adding to my pasta. I am going to add some Creole mustard. I love this mustard. When I tell you, this is not regular mustard. This is Dijon mustard, Creole Dijon mustard. I added that in there. Give it a stir, a lot of stirring, I know. And then you are going to add your heavy cream. Give that a stir as well. Now, if you want to add some cheese, some mozzarella cheese, to this, of course you can. However, this is going to be strictly creamy, so I'm going to leave it as is. Next, I'm going to add some lemon zest in there. Yes, this is a lemony type of pasta, so you need all that lemon flavor in there. Now I'm going to add the pasta and mix it up together just like so. I'm adding it gradually because I don't want to add too much pasta and don't have enough sauce, so I'm going to gradually add that in, give it a stir. Oh, it's looking beautiful. Now I am going to be adding some salt and pepper to taste. However, you can add any other seasoning here. Not that you need it, just saying, because this chicken right here has all the flavor you need. I'm going to use some of the chicken in the pasta, and also I'm going to use the remaining of the chicken as garnish. For you see the beginning of the video. Let me not explain myself too much here. So I'm going to add some chicken in there, like I said, mix it up together, all the flavor, all the juice from the chicken. Yes, put that in. Yes. Next, we are going to add some fresh parsley for some fresh flavor, and we're going to mix that all together just like that. It's looking beautiful and creamy. I love this. Now it's time to put this plate together. One of my favorite part of making videos is the plating. Sometimes they come out good, sometimes they come out bad. And today, baby, this is a restaurant quality type of plating. Presentation is A1 today, and I love that for me. And to finish it up, we're going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and you have yourself this beautiful creamy lemon chicken pasta. This recipe reminds me of a creamy shrimp scampi, but with chicken, of course. It's absolutely delicious. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Try it out to see what I'm talking about. Hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Come on, guys. This is a thumbs up type of recipe. You have to hit the thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new here. I will see you beautiful people on the next recipe. Bye.